Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Steam on your device. Once you do that, so this is the Steam homepage, go to Library, and here's on the search bar, search for Destiny 2. So once you've found the game, now right-click on it, like so. Now go to Properties, and here you'll see this option called Language. It is set to English right now. So to change it, just click on this arrow right here, which will bring up a drop-down menu. Now select the language you want to change it to, like so, and the language will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy